The judiciary has temporarily suspended the launch of 3 Catalan offices abroad. Hello, this is Catalan News in 100 seconds. Catalan offices in Argentina, Mexico, and Tunisia have been vetoed by a court at the Spanish government's request, at least temporarily, until judges make a final ruling. While Madrid believes these delegations are part of a secessionist plan, Catalunya's cabinet is outraged.
És el pitjor atac que s'ha produït contra l'autogovern de Catalunya des de l'aplicació del 155. Un atac a la llibertat d'expressió, un atac a la llibertat d'un govern democràticament constituït.
As Ursula von der Leyen's team was given the go-ahead, 41 MEPs urged the new commission to mediate in the Catalan crisis and ensure that fundamental rights are protected in Spain. This comes as a 6-month deadline given by the UN to Madrid to free jailed Catalan leaders expired. Unió Ciutadans accused the Catalan government of corruption in a parliamentary spat. Ciutadans heads comments on the partner of a female pro-independence MP prompted sexism accusations by the speaker. Spain's Congress passed a decree against Catalonia's attempt to build a so-called digital republic. While Barcelona opposed the measure, the Madrid cabinet thinks it's lawful and necessary.
Esta norma, como no puede ser de otra manera, respeta el marco jurídico nacional y comunitario, la separación de poderes, las competencias del Estado y las comunidades autónomas.
Public French company SNCF is among those competing to operate Spanish high-speed trains from 2020. The liberalization of services is expected to increase commercial offer by 65%. Zoom Audiovisual Festival kicked off in Igualada in central Catalonia. Television fiction is among the genres expected among the 50 program productions. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.